I believe. Jitendra is calling us from Hyderabad, and it is a stock that I think Rajesh is going to smile about. It's certainly one of his favorites. Jitendra, good morning. How can we help you today?
Yeah, good morning to all, and thank you for your efforts in solving queries. I just holding 1600 shares of ITC Hotels at 171.
Okay.
And how long I can hold, and what will be the overall outlook for long term?
Jitendra, how long you can hold is something that you have to decide. So why don't you tell me what your expectation is for the stock? Have you bought it based on the fundamentals, and have you bought it based on holding for the long term, or is it a short-term gain that you're looking for?
My outlook is for long term only. I'm just confirming as your view also.
Okay, all right, I understand. All right, Rajesh, the stock is up as much as 5%. Sorry, I read the first part of the stock name and I thought that he was talking about ITC, but he's talking about ITC Hotels. What's the view here? 5% up right now. Would you hold for further gains or would you book?
I would buy.
You would buy.
That's the single line answer to the entire story. But still, the company is doing very well. Hospitality sector as a whole is doing very well. We have seen a lot of up moves, a lot of good numbers coming in from the existing players. Although this is the newly listed company demerged out of ITC. We got 1 share out of 10 shares of ITC, and this is a very strong play, I would say, with good brands under their belt. The management has come and recorded in saying that by 2030 they are going to almost double their room capacity. Average room rent is going up, almost debt free. So in all parameters, is a strong buy from our side. We expect almost 15 to 20% CAGR growth in the next 3 to 4 years. So it's a buy from our side.
Right, so there you go. I hope that answers your question. And you've already made some solid gains. It is trading very close to its issue price. It just moved up, and in fact, in trade today, above its issue price, if I'm not mistaken. All right, Venkatesh is writing in from Ahmedabad, and he's asking about Himadri Specialty. His buy price is 46.4, and he's got a very long-term time horizon. I can't believe that this is the buy price. I think it's incorrect. It cannot be 46. Let's pull up the longer term charts. Is it 46? Wow, if it is, what a buy price. Rajesh, what's the long term view? 5 years is the view that he's seeking.
See, the buy price is right, I believe, because sometimes back it was trading at 2 figures, if I'm not wrong, 2-3 years back. Company has been doing well. They have moved into specialty chemicals, carbon black, and all those things. They have recently bought out Birla Tires from NCLT, planning to go big into EV battery space. So they have a lot of announcements. Management has done a lot of announcement, and things are going to pan out in the next 3 to 4 years. So the only thing is the gestation period. If it goes very long from these levels, then there would be a problem. Otherwise, after the correction this stock has witnessed, I think 480, 490 would be a decent target for next 1 year.
Okay, 480 would be a decent target. All right. Again, I'm struck by the cautious approach that you have to the targets that you're giving, and it's a point that is well made over the course of the last week or so. Despite the upside that we are seeing in the markets, all of the experts on this program are being cautious with their expectations going forward. United